in North America, Europe, Asia, and China. In the fields needed automatic vending terminal, a revolution has been led quietly by TCN Technology Company Limited, which in the pursuit of intelligentized digitization, user experience ultimate. After 12 years' efforts, TCN has become an industry model. TCN Technology is a national high-tech import and export enterprise that provides professional high-quality automatic vending terminal and self-help retail system. After 12 years' efforts, TCN Technology has become the most powerful automatic vending manufacturer with the goal of being world's first-class brand. TCN series products has been applied to over 50 countries and the whole China because of its creative design, high-tech, and outstanding function. TCN automatic vending machines have been listed as National Technology Creative Project, National 3 Key Technology Transformation Projects. Now, it is the most reliable famous brand in the world. E-Cube technology now is leading this industry develop constantly. Asked stage that is clear like this, for has the source running water. TCN technology always persists in self-development and self-innovation. The company owns the largest product bases and self-development spray production lines, advanced fully automatic sheet metal production lines, general assembly lines, and a complete series automatic vending machines. Besides, it devotes to provide high-quality products and self-help retail system solutions to make sure the superiority of the product details. The products are of greater advantages, such as multi-purpose integrating, high quality, and stability and convenient maintenance. Since the establishment from 2003, TCN obtained over 50 national patents, hosted the ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, CE Certification, FCC Certification. Its intelligentized payment system can provide multiple payments such as IC cards, ID cards, Union Payback cards, WeChat payment, PayCharger, banknotes, coins, one-campus ID cards, mobile phone payment, barcode, O2O. TCN has invented 3G remote operation and a control system in order to realize automatic retail vending, online purchasing, temperature adjustment, cell phone alarm, remote video surveillance, self-diagnosis. The refined cloud service system realized multi-processors, remote multimedia publication, online data query, count and analysis, which makes it possible to know sales, running situation of each vending machine, and provide more powerful online due function according to customers' requirements. Production line development and upgrading. The first-class enterprise is based on first-class management. TCN Technology introduces advanced international management experience bravely, created a scientific and high-effect management mode in the departments of R&D, production, sales, service, according to its own development. IPD cooperates with many famous scientific institutions to promote development and management, which will surely shorten research period, cut development cost. ISC management cooperates tightly with world-class lab players such as Intel, Microsoft, Google, MEI, ITL, NRI, Fuji for the purpose of providing the most reliable accessories to ensure the superiority of products. CSI makes achieving customers' value as its biggest target and devotes to provide best self-retail solutions. know customers' requirements and market feedbacks, foster trust within the company. TCN works with China Mobile, China Unicom, China Construction Bank, China Agriculture Bank, Bright Dairy in Shanghai, Shanghai Underground, Xiuzheng Medical Company, Dongfeng Motor Company on a stable relationship. Today's TCN has been a powerful enterprise with high-quality products, high reputation, technical support, synchronization of value service, and has realized the changing from single manufacturing to creating at all aspects of value service. Loyalty, responsibility, and devotion, value concepts of TCN, exceeded the expectations of customers and sincerely service concepts of TCN, sustainable management, constant innovation, development spirits of TCN. After years of struggling, TCN firmly stands there with its initial faith. Future, TCN expects to be an international brand with high-end design, advanced technology, best customer experience, hand-in-hand cooperate with you. Altogether creates magnificence.